These are quick detach.
Uh-huh.
The other ones do not have these.
Okay.
This is where the collet goes, is in here.
Uh-huh.
So you would have a bolt up here.
I see, yeah.
And this bolt will not be here. If you see here, this unlocks the drilling part.
Okay.
It's up, down. Now if I have this down, this bolt will not be up here. So this must be all the way to the top. Locked.
Lock it.
So that this bolt will be here.
Okay.
And you would take
We need to have like
a same wrench that would fit this, which there are. So do you see that thing hanging over there?
Yeah.
That one's too big, but there's smaller ones that are much more silver colored. They go here. They also go here.
Okay.
And it's the same size as this here.
Okay.
This here is used to tighten this. But since I said, you know, this is a quick detach that is in the collet itself.
That's good.
Just line these up. You have to press this button and rotate.
Okay.
And then now it's
Sweet.
in there. So
what's the size of this tool, or is it?
I believe this is probably a 1/2 inch.
1/2 inch. Okay.
Which I mean, you can use anything. I mean, you could use this, but I like a 1/2 inch.
Yes, that's good.
And then normally people would be lazy and bring this down, so bring this down here, but I don't like to do that.
Okay.
The longer the extension of the arm bar, the more wobble you can have.
Yeah, that's true.
Here you have an X and a Y axis that's this way and this way.
Yes, and
Here's the manual.
the vertical.
This. Yeah, so you can tighten that down, tweak this here. Each tick is 1/1000th. The difference here.
Okay, 1/1000.
That's why it takes so many cranks to get it up there. Now, very important. Here's the gear change.
Okay. So
Now
back
this-
and forth only.
Well, yes, and how this works is you place force towards the machine.
Uh-huh.
And right now you see this is totally horizontal. That means you're in the high gear.
Okay.
These, among all machines, are the same. They're very difficult to change gears. Just keep them in high gear.
Okay.
What you can do is you can try and put it here, but again, it's just, you must, if you really want to get in low gear, you must rotate this while you do this. But it again, it's very difficult.
Okay.
Sometimes see.
Yeah, let's just leave it in high speed. Students, don't touch that.
Just don't worry about that. So within high speed here,
Okay.
it will say high range and low range. Pay no attention to those words. If you rotate this one way, it will spin a certain direction. If you rotate this another way, it will spin the reverse direction.
I see.
The most important aspect of this
Uh-huh.
is if I were to run my fingers this way, the blades are sharp. If I run my fingers this way, the blades are smooth.
Okay.
So you must always rotate this direction.
Okay, I see.
All bits are manufactured conventionally, so they will always rotate this direction.
Okay.
Never rotate the opposite direction. It will not cut the metal, it will melt the metal around the bit. There's the silver thing I was speaking of.
Oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
That will change. So, and the only way to know which way it's turning is just turn it on and off real quick. to
Okay.
see. Only adjust the speed while this is running.
Okay.
So, that's the correct direction.
Okay.
So, I usually operate near 1,000. In between 1,000 and 1,200 is fine. But,
Around 1,000 is good?
yes.
Okay, for aluminum?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, right now he's cleaning up the burrs.
just to the right size.
Mm-hmm.
And to give us a finished surface to work with. Just cutting on the bandsaw will not give you a finished surface, it'll give you a rough surface.
Yeah. Oh.